Yeah.
Okay. So, what's happening with the Women on Purpose? What's going on there?
Dude, it's all
Is that
about
an
approaching.
organization?
It is an organization. It happens, I think, once a year around Women's Month. So it's just an event where they motivate, encourage women, and to continue and stuff. Yeah. And I did approach them that, hey guys, I'm a DJ, because I also didn't have a DJ. So I feel like as females or a DJ, just approach a place that doesn't have a DJ. Like, hey guys, I can do this for you. Doesn't matter if they pay, doesn't matter if they don't pay. Just because especially as a female DJ, you have to like continue pushing yourself. Because if you're sitting down and waiting for a gig to come, that's not gonna happen. People forget about you. But if you're like out there working and showing that you're working, people see you and they respect that and they invite you to gigs.
I realize another thing. On your set, meanwhile you're playing. Are you always that serious?
Am I serious?
I mean, yeah.
Okay, one thing I can say, but the thing is about me, I don't know about other DJs. Every time when I'm about to start DJing, I'm very nervous. So when I get to the booth, I just want to make sure that everything goes smoothly. So I think that's why I don't know. That's a face. I didn't know I was serious. But I think it's because I really just want to make it nice and smooth. I don't want to
focus on your page.
Yeah.
Do you want to be under a record label? Or are you under one?
Oh my gosh. That's another question for another. It's another topic actually. I mean, I don't even know. Don't record labels kind of like work with DJs who are producers too? So I think that would be something.
Maybe you have a good ear. You can compose something.
I do have a good. I do have it. I mean, if they approach, it depends on the contract that they want me to sign, because these things have to like be very vigilant. But if it comes and then the contract is good, I guess. I don't want to pick myself into something
So
I can't get out
apart
of.
from we are VR chosen, how do you promote yourself?
I mean, by gigs like this, of course, now I've got like some footage. I'm gonna post on my socials, and also the mixes
Okay,
help a
suppose
lot.
let's say you are not getting any bookings. How are you gonna put yourself out there that hey, I'm still alive?
If that doesn't happen, I do it myself. I keep myself busy by making mixes.
Making mixes.
Yeah, posting them on social media. People are still listening to me. I like that. I want that. So that makes me, that makes me happy, and that keeps me going.
I mean, at least that's something.
Yeah.
When you wake up in the morning, you're feeling the vibe.
And then there's someone who's like, hey, please send me a mix. I'm traveling to some place and I want like some nice mix. And then you send a mix, and that happens all the time. People wanting, to listen to my mix. Hey, please send me a link to your mixes. So that is good enough for me.
And then, what does it mean if they book you on a gig and then suppose you play first?
I mean, I feel like this happened today because the first DJ was playing soul music, deep soul music.
Yeah.
And it's Afro house event, and I was the first person to play Afro. So I think I'm actually did an opening today.
How did that make you feel?
Okay, well, because I was speaking to Kolan, the organizer of this. So it's like, hey, dude, I listened to your mix that you sent me before he booked me, kind of confirmed the booking, and I see that your Afro is very kind of mellow.
Okay.
Do you want to do like sunrise or like maybe sunsets?
Yeah.
6 to 7 or 7 to 8. I'm like, yeah, why not? So in my mind, I thought I'm playing like 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, and then they confirmed the time slot, and the time slot says 5. I'm like, what? 5 o'clock. I'm like, okay, and it's my first time actually doing an opening. But then I remember that today is like Derby, so there's always gonna be people watching soccer. Okay, cool. let's do it. So I'm good.
Do you think that's another thing that backed up your set?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. You can say that. I can say that. It kind of made me okay. Cool. There's gonna be
So
people there, and I'm paying
yeah,
for people. There's not gonna be like empty chairs. So I'm good. It's fine. Let's get it going.
which team do you support between the two that was playing?
My dad used to support. My dad supports Pirates, and as a daughter, I'm like just gonna follow my dad. So since my dad supports,
Unfortunate enough, it won.
it did. I didn't know. I was busy playing. I didn't even know. Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the sign, right?
Why not? Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
at least. So, but then you still haven't answered me.
Which question?
What does it mean
To do.
to play first? I mean, your set was beautiful.
Yeah.
Never mind the crowd, never mind anything, but usually, what does it mean?
I've come to kind of accept it and take it. Someone has to open at the end of the day. You still DJ, you still did work. So it's okay, it's short. It's not like I always open. Sometimes I play 10 o'clock, sometimes I play 12.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if organizers feel okay, maybe you are good at opening at this event, it's okay. I'll take that.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung